If you were to call me tomorrow and say, Aidan, I just got my test back, I've got 10 parts per million of iron, how do I treat it? And I would say, well, we have different sizes of iron filters, 1.5 cubic feet through 2.5 cubic feet. Probably most of the time we recommend our 2.5 cubic foot 2510 AIO Catalox filter that removes up to 30 parts per million of iron, or 15 parts per million of manganese, and 10 parts per million of sulfur. People ask about Greensand and Birm as far as removing iron from the water. Birm has its limitations. The pH has to be a certain level or it'll strip the coating off the berm. And Greensand is kind of an antiquated way to do it. You have to use a regenerative chemical with the Greensand filter, and we don't recommend using anything with chemicals, any type of system that can impart chemicals into your water. That's a big no. People ask us about air injection tanks, and air injection basically just oxidizes the iron, precipitates it out of the water, and then it's trapped by a filter. People tell us, yeah, you know, my neighbor next door, they have iron in the water as well, and they use a water softener, and they say it takes out all the iron in the water. Well, low levels, say 1 to 3 parts per million, a softener can remove iron from the water, but iron also shortens the life of the resin, so further down the road, you're going to have to replace that resin, and it can be costly. Now, people tell me, you know, I Googled how to remove iron on the internet, Inline filter popped up, or one of those filters you mount to the wall for sediment. That doesn't work. That doesn't remove iron. Iron is dissolved in the water and needs to be removed from the water by precipitation or a certain type of media that pulls iron out of the water. When you get your water tested, you want them to test for clear water iron, red water iron, and iron bacteria. Iron bacteria is the one we least run into on a regular basis. Typically, we find that clear water iron is the most common type of iron found in well water. If you were to ask me about rust out powder to use in your water softener to help remove iron, no. I don't believe in using any type of chemicals other than the media that comes with the system itself.